In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up in the ActiveCampaign affiliate program. We'll walk through the process from the very beginning so you can follow along on your own screen. If you're brand new to affiliate marketing or to ActiveCampaign, don't worry, this will be simple and straightforward. First, open your browser and go to the official ActiveCampaign website by typing in activecampaign.com. Once the homepage loads, look for the option related to their affiliate or partner program. On that page, you should see a button that says Apply Now. Go ahead and click that. This is what starts your application. You'll be redirected to a page hosted by their partner platform, which is where they manage affiliate signups and payouts. On this page, look for the button that says Join the program and click it. This is the actual registration form for your affiliate account. Now you'll see a form asking for some basic personal details. Enter your first name, your last name, and a valid email address that you actually check, because you'll need it for confirmations and future communication. Take a moment to double-check your spelling here, since mistakes in your email can prevent you from activating your account. When you're done, click Next to move forward. On the next screen, you'll be asked for a bit more information about your business. Type in your company name. If you don't have a registered company, you can usually use your personal brand or your name, depending on their policy. Then add your website URL. This should be the main site or platform where you plan to promote ActiveCampaign, such as your blog, agency site, or landing page. Next, you'll see a section where you need to select your promotional method from a list. This might include options like content marketing, email marketing, paid ads, social media, or other channels. Choose the method or methods that best describe how you'll be promoting ActiveCampaign. Try to be honest and accurate here because it helps them understand your marketing approach and can sometimes affect approval. Once everything is filled out and you're happy with the details, click Create Account. The system will now create your affiliate profile on their partner platform. To finish the process, open the inbox of the email address you used to sign up. Look for a message from the platform or from ActiveCampaign's partner team. Inside that email, you'll find a confirmation link. Click that link to verify your email and activate your affiliate account. After that, you'll be able to log in, access your affiliate dashboard, and start promoting ActiveCampaign.